Hello, and welcome to ClearTask. In today's quick and straightforward tutorial, we are going to show you how to securely use your Viber account on multiple devices at the same time, whether you want to connect a desktop computer, a laptop, or a tablet. The setup process is exactly the same. To get started, download and install the Viber application on your secondary device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will immediately be greeted by a welcome screen displaying a large QR code. This code is exactly what you need to link this new device to your main account. Next, grab your primary smartphone where your Viber account is already active and logged in, and open the app. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the More tab. Once you are inside the More menu, look up at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the QR code scanner icon. Your phone's camera will now activate. Simply point your camera at the screen of your secondary device to scan the QR code. Almost instantly, the code will be recognized. Viber will then display a prompt on your phone asking if you would like to sync your chat history. Confirm the prompt and tap Sync to ensure all your messages and conversations are seamlessly updated across both devices. Keep in mind that while this step is optional, it is highly recommended so you don't lose track of your active chats. And that is all it takes. Your devices are now successfully linked and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to drop a like on this video, subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tech solutions, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.